I just would like to find out, how do you guys actually create this kind of beautiful lab-grown diamond?
So it goes through our CVD making process. We add carbon into a machine and we recreate the same environment that goes on in the earth. And that technology allows us to grow the diamond. This particular piece took 279 days, which was 190 carat rough lab-grown diamond, which then went through the cutting and polishing process of 35 days to give us this beautiful 75.33 carat lab-grown diamond, which is the largest polished CVD lab-grown diamond as of date.
And is this going to be beneficial to consumers that are looking for diamonds at an affordable price?
Yes, it creates a significant opportunity for us and for the buyer to get something that's a very high quality product, as it's exactly the same as a natural diamond at a much significantly lower price, especially when you're talking about bigger sizes. Diamonds exponentially get priced higher. So when you go bigger, you're saving even more and more.
I've been hearing a lot of lab-grown diamonds and how beneficial our consumers, they're able to actually buy diamonds, especially when it comes to weddings too.
So this particular piece is a little bit too big for a ring. To each their own, it's a very personal thing, but we think something like this is best suited when you create the whole necklace, starting as the center point with the diamond that you have there, and then they build the whole necklace around it.
Thanks for sharing us some insights about lab-grown diamonds, and this amazing diamond right here is lab-grown.
My pleasure.